Hello, this is Rami Al-Rajab. Here I will show you a simple idea on how to create a functional voice recording box from household items. I'm using for this project an IKEA storage box, which costs around 15 riyals. We'll need also 3 old or not needed hand towels, medium-size binder clips, and push pins. First, let's rub the outside of the box with the first towel. Then, I will use the binder clips to fix it in place. It is okay if you tighten it a bit. I found a small acoustic foam somewhere in my storage room, so that I'm placing it in the bottom of the box. The foam will face the back of the microphone and it will serve as an absorber and a dissipator at the same time. If you don't have something similar, you can just ignore this step. After that, I will push the second towel inside the box. Place it loosely and bring the ends to the edges of the box. Then I'll fix them with the binder clips. The next step is to fix the towel inside the box with the push pins. You can use as many as you like. Then, I will push the third towel across the previous one and follow the same procedure and fix it in place with the binder clips. Then I will fix the inside with the push pins. That's it. Congratulations! You have created your first functional voice recording box. Now, you need to place the microphone inside the box, search for a quiet area, and then start recording. I hope you enjoyed the do-it-yourself project. Thank you for watching. See you in the next section.